Hello there. Lesson number 2 of quick little hints and helps for using ChatGPT for students and teachers, talking through a couple of buttons that are often overlooked and they're really useful. Let me put a little example in here. I've typed it so you don't have to watch me type. Write a poem for me in the style of Roald Dahl explaining why teachers must use generative AI to make their lessons more exciting. Got that ready? Gonna click send message. Here we go. So he's thinking about it. In a school not far from here, but not too near, a tale unfolds that every teacher should hear. It's about magic, oh vast and wide. Whoa, hang on. This is longer than I was expecting it. Now I could wait, but that's going through. I've got a stop button, you see? Stop. I don't want to watch. I don't want to keep using up all of that time. I've just stopped it because I know that's not what I want. So I could carry on chatting, but instead I can come up and you'll see this little pen. That's the edit button. I can click on that. Now I can come back, write a short poem, save and submit, and it's off again. That saves me waiting and then having to write the whole thing out again. In a classroom where the lights dim low, where minds are eager, ready to grow, lived a band of teachers, no. Stop. That's boring. Don't want it boring. Write a short, fun, and slightly naughty poem. That's more like it. That's going to entertain them better. So, fun, slightly naughty poem. Don't have to retype the whole thing. Save and submit. Here we go. In a school not so far where chalk dusted whirl lived teachers quite staid, their lessons a twirl. With books stacked so high and the classroom so dry came a whisper, a notion. Let's give AI a try. Okay, I'm liking the look of this. Now Roald Dahl's spirit, wink and a jest, might conduct such a tale where AI's the best. Okay, it's still going. Is that short? We'll give it a go. We'll let it run through. Now, another button. So we've got that. I can read through it, scroll down. Don't love it. I could go back and edit it, my initial description, but there's another one here. We've got this regenerate down here. Regenerate. It's going to give it another go. Same instruction, but see what it comes up with. Do you like this one better? From here, you can regenerate again. You can have a third option. Read this one. If it's better, you can use it. You haven't lost the first one. If you see here, as it's writing it, we've got 2 from 2. Little arrow there. Was it better? You can answer that. That helps them respond. Don't like it. Go back to the first one. Go back to the second one. We can keep doing that. We can keep regenerating, keep going the variations, or my favorite thing, we can chat. It was okay, but I need it to be naughtier. Make children laugh out loud. Let's try again. Hope it doesn't tell me off. Oh, look at this. We thought that may happen. Sorry. Not that naughty. Is it going to forgive me? It's thinking about it. No. Oh, it wants me to go back up here. It's allowed it. It's gone a bit crazy. In a school where lessons often made kids snore, a spark of mischief walked through the door. Generative AI, it whispered with glee, will add some naughtiness, just follow me. So there we go. We can keep editing without rewriting the whole thing each time. We've got these useful buttons. We can come back to the first thing you wrote, the second thing you can write, we can then look over the answers, the different ones we've got, and of course we can carry on chatting. So those little buttons can save a lot of time. It's worth thinking about that as you go through and have a conversation. The further you get from the original instruction, the less it's going to remember. Just like in any normal conversation, if you ask someone an instruction, then you talk for 20 minutes, they're going to forget what the original aim of the conversation. So great to do, but it might be useful to come back to the start and edit your original question so it holds around, because the further away you get from that original question, the less it's going to remember it. I hope that helps. That's tip number 2.